We're in Toyland.
She has a collection of puppies.
Hi, I'm Ryan Agurdy, and I'm a little puppy.
Go ESM!
I like to talk crap about people, and I smell pretty bad.
We
Oh,
suck.
Oh wait, that's Megan Murphy. My bad.
Wow, that's pretty mean.
Oh well.
You don't do it right.
I know.
Here. Trade.
Hi guys. What you doing? 1, 2, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Who do we hate more?
Who do we hate more? Megan.
Megan Murphy.
She's a gorilla. See, that's what she looks like.
No, that's Heather.
And Matthew.
It's Heather.
Duh. Now we shall walk around. Put the puppets back.
Bye guys, I'm leaving. I'm going back home.
Ooh, pillow.
My stick.
Don't look right, does it?
Pillow fight. Puppies.
Ooh, big puppy.
My puppy.
Nice fluffy. Ooh, I remember these. There's some sweets.
Fairy. Hi, how you doing? Hi. Good.
Doctor.
I'm gonna be that for Christmas.
For Christmas. You mean Halloween? Superhero. I like these pants. They're soft.
It's a rocket.
It's a mini horsey. I would sit on it, but I might break it. I remember these. I always get confused on them. Mini chair.
Make some.
Let's play with some Legos. Not working, guys. Okay, Legos. I hate them. I'm having difficulties with these Legos. Oh, I got it.
Interesting. Okay, I think we're good. Whoops.
No,
I didn't know that
play
came
with
out.
Legos.
Zebra! What if I rode the zebra? Get Come here.
That's like a perfect size. Okay, let's go for a break here. Piano.
There's a dinosaur.
Yeah, rawr. Alright, now we're leaving the Toyland.
I don't want to leave.
I don't want to leave Toyland either.
I love Toyland.
No. It was kind of
Hi!
those people we don't know. This is where Matt should go buy a suit. Oh, Yummy food. Do something interesting. Your shoe might fall off.
I
She's
see
like-
lights.
Pretty lights.
My eyes.
People. Pole. Michaela acting like an idiot.
Baby Slendermans.
Baby Slendermans. Very fashionable ones.
How long is the video?
I don't know, 5 minutes. It's mostly you.
Fine then. There's a cup in your bag.
I know I need the box.
Hey, look, Slender's girlfriend.
Next
Look, his brother. Wait for me. Hey, look, it's Black Slender. Excuse me. Sorry.